Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining exactly who you want. Be specific about industry, role, and company size so searches return actionable prospects. Once done, open Sales Navigator and verify your license and CRM sync to capture leads automatically. Next, input 3-5 target keywords and select geography to narrow noise. Make sure to save this as a search. You'll move faster when your prerequisites are tight, and this prevents time wasted on irrelevant profiles. You now construct an advanced search using Boolean operators in titles and keyword fields to combine terms and exclude noise. Once done, layer filters like seniority, company headcount, years at company, and recent posted content to surface engaged prospects. Make sure to test variations to see results change. Save the refined search and enable alerts so new matches appear automatically. Then add promising profiles to segmented lead lists for outreach sequencing and track. You finalize by quickly qualifying saved leads using activity signals like recent posts, mutual connections, and company news to prioritize outreach. Once done, craft short personalized messages referencing a specific signal and a clear one-step call to action. Make sure to sequence follow-ups. If you're not finding enough leads, broaden keywords, expand geographic range, or reset overly strict filters. A key troubleshooting tip: check your license and CRM sync when leads fail to save or alerts stop working.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.